About 90% of you need to hear this because only 10% of the people in the United States are considered metabolically healthy. I used to be in the 90%. And of all of you listening, I can guarantee that everybody doesn't fit into the 10%. So here's a very interesting analogy for you to consider. Real quick, for those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Keith. I'm a 7-year cancer survivor. I've studied over 4,000 clinical papers on the root cause of chronic disease, and I have reversed all 5 of my chronic diseases. You can make your situation a whole lot better too. If you like and follow, I'll show you simple science-based strategies that can get you feeling better. If you want to get in the express lane and work one-on-one, I'll teach you everything I know. Just DM or get on my calendar and let's talk. Ready? Let's dive in. Consider one of those outdoor above-ground swimming pools. When the pool is empty, you're chronically ill. When the pool is full, you're feeling great. Your genetics will determine how full that pool is when you're born. You could be born with an empty pool. Monogenetic diseases like hemophilia, you're born sick. And unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about that. But for the vast majority of us, our pools are nearly full when we're born. And it's over time that we're either poking small holes into the bottom of the sides of that pool, or we're putting more water into the pool. If you're poking large holes into the bottom of the sides of that pool, you're going to get to empty or sick pretty quickly. And these are all lifestyle choices. What you're eating, whether or not you're moving, exercising, what you're thinking about. Do you have a mental negative attitude, which is going to impact your physiology, or are you positive about your future? There are a couple of hundred factors that amount to small holes or large holes in that swimming pool. They all neatly fit into about 9 pillars or 9 categories of good health. If you start plugging those holes and you start adding some water, you're going to feel a whole lot better. If you let that pool drain, you're going to start to feel the symptoms: brain fog, shortness of breath, high blood pressure. These are things that can end up very poorly. You don't want to keep accumulating symptoms. The sicker you get, the more likely it is you're going to need long-term care. That's not a good direction. So, if you want help, if you're confused as to what all those different holes are, again, please DM. If you like these videos, please like and share, and we'll see you again soon.